Hello everybody, I'm doing a challenge where I make a game a day, but every single game that I make, I add 1 more minute to the timer. Today is day 9, so I have 9 minutes. For this game, I decided to go for a simple stacker game. I first began by making the reference for the object that is going to be falling, the thing that's going to be dropping them, and the platform. I then went into Visual Studios to make the movement for the dropper. I made it so that it simply lerps between the points of the far left side and the far right side. And I did this by having a bool that was indicating if it was going left or right, and I just changed it whenever you reached a certain point. To the script, I also added a function that whenever you press space, it makes a copy of our reference object, and it spawns it where the spawner currently is. After finally debugging everything in the movement script, I started working on an end condition since I saw that I have a lot of time left. I made it that if a cube goes past a certain point for long enough time, then it will pop up a screen that says you won. And here's the final result. It's a simple stacker game where you get to, stack objects until that gray line you see up there. Once you get that stacked all the way up, then it waits for 3 seconds, and if the object is still stacked, then it'll display a "You won" screen. That's going to be it for today's game. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again, maybe tomorrow, maybe not.